Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the topic that is how to switch on the computer. Okay, in this last video you have learned about the topic that is what is operating system, what are this operating system. In that example it was Windows, Mac, Linux. Operating system is when computer has a special set of program which manages all the job of a computer and make it run. Okay, that is known as operating system. User interface, then user interface means what is meant by user interface. User, it is the word that it means derives it to interact. Okay, to interact. Next one, it has been user interface. It's been divided into two types, that is CLI, GUI. CLI means command line interface. Command line, it is used for text message, and GUI, it is a graphical user interface. It's for picture, videos. It's been okay. The next one, it was Windows 7. Windows 7, in this, when it was released on the October 22, 2009. Windows is an operating system developed by Microsoft Word leading software. Windows is an operating system developed by Microsoft Word leading software. Okay, this is very much important. Who learned Windows Word leading software? Okay. Then now next topic today are going to see that is switching on a computer. How we are going to switch on the computer? We'll look by seeing the picture about this. See, in this, how to switch on the computer. See, this is power button. Okay, what is the first step? That is power supply. Okay, you're going to switch on the power supply. These are the switches of the power supply. You're going to switch on this power supply. The first step is to switch off the power supply button. These are the buttons. You're going to click on this button. The first step is, this is power supply, and you're going to switch on the button. Okay, the next step it is, what is the next step? UPS button. UPS, this is known as UPS. Okay, you're going to switch on this UPS button. UPS, what it does, it controls all the system. When the computer is off, okay, when the light is went off, this UPS controls it. Okay, it stores all information. The next step, it is CPU button. What is next one? CPU button. This is CPU. You're going to switch on the CPU button. The first step it was to switch on the power supply, then UPS, and third one it is CPU button. Okay, UPS, it is optional. Okay, UPS, it is optional. It is there in someone computer. Most of the times UPS is not there. Directly you on the switch in this power supply, and then afterwards CPU button. Got it? The next one, it is to on the power button. Here it is power supply button. You're going to on this power supply button. You're going to click. That time the power, then the monitor will be on. Okay, these are the four steps, that is power supply, then UPS button, CPU button, and power button. To on the switch on the computer, what are the four steps? That is switch on the power button, switch on the UPS button, then switch on the CPU button and monitor. Okay, screen. These are the steps for switching on the computer. But the next it is the topic, it is desktop and its component. Okay, desktop and its component. What is mean by desktop and its component? First one, it is desktop means the first screen which appeared on the computer, that is known as desktop. Now see, when you're doing the computer on, that time the first screen which is been coming, this is known as desktop. What is this known as? Desktop. The first screen when the computer is on, that time the first screen which has been coming, that is known as desktop. Okay, now you will see the topic. See, what is the definition of desktop? The first screen that appears on a labeled picture is called a desktop. The first screen which comes, that is known as desktop. Okay, the next one, it is icons. What is icon? The small labeled pictures or symbol. The small labeled pictures or symbol are present on desktops that are known as icons. The small labeled pictures. Okay, what are the icons in this? See, this my computer, then these are all what? Icons which are labeled. The small labeled pictures or symbol on the desktop. This my computer, this recycle bin, these are all what known as icons. When you're switching on the computer, the first screen that appears, that is known as desktop. And what are the icons? These are known as icon. That is my computer, then recycling being, these are all what? Icons. The small labeled pictures or symbol or presence on desktop are known as icon. And it is there in desktop, no? That is known as icon. Now we'll look up the topic, that is taskbar. What is mean by taskbar? See, taskbar means, see the last, the down at the bottom of the screen. This is known as taskbar. Taskbar, this is known as a taskbar, which is long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. At the bottom of the desktop, the long horizontal bar, this whole thing, downside, which has been present like this way. See, here it is start button, yes or no? This or what? Here this is known as taskbar. This line which has been present at the bottom of the desktop, that is known as taskbar. Okay, the next, it is start button. What is start button? Start button is present here. Okay, the first to start it. And this, the icons are been there on the taskbar. See, what are icons? Icons are the small label pictures on the desktop, and taskbar, it is long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the desktop. Okay, and the first screen when you're putting on the computer, that is known as desktop computer. The first screen when you're doing on the computer, that time it's known as desktop, and the icons which have been present on the desktop, that is known as icons, and the taskbar, it is at the bottom of the screen. Okay.